What's up, yo? Let me spit this shit for y'all right quick. You turn it down. Hold up, I'll fix that in a minute. Alright. I'll start it over in a minute so y'all can hear it too. Hold up. Alright. It's for every motherfucking of my fans out there, yo. Cause I know y'all love me. I love y'all too. So, I guess I'm just about to spit this bars for you. Alright. Feeling subliminal when I'm doing this extra criminal shit. Cause I'm coming back with a motherfucking snitch, bitch. I'm coming with my gun, but it's all for fun. I'm coming back, yo, my name is the #1. I'm #1 on the top of the charts, but I don't give a fuck. Yo, music is an art, not a fucking privilege. So come back into this. You know, yo, bitches love my dick again. She cannot get enough of it. Come at me, try to do the drugs and shit. I'm like, whoa, no, yo. Say no to dirty cunt. As a matter of fact, yo, bitch, let me think you want no. That shit is hella nasty. Let me go past it, cause I can do this shit, yeah, like I'm asked to be like the best in the motherfucking nation. Well, guess what? I can't. Why? Cause I'm on probation. Got on probation, forbidden niggas facing. But I don't care, dog, that nigga deserve it till this day. And I don't care what the fuck you gotta say. Hate on me? Well, you know that I'm the greatest, can't you see? No, you can't, because you are blind. But I don't care, dog. Bitches still are on my mind. Not really, not really. Get a bitch in the trunk, make the car have to pop a wheelie. The bitch too fat for me to pull that. So I'm doing all this shit, and I pull out my gat. Put a gun to her head, fill her head with lead. Put chrome in your dome, go boom, now you're dead. Make the whole suit red with your blood, can't you see? Cause just like me, L-A-F-R-E, I'm back again. When I'm about to rap again, I'll fucking slap a Mexican and try to fucking flex again. Yeah, okay, now let me spit this lyrical shit. This shit that I do when you're not even prepared to do. Nothing I'm in, cause I'm doing it double time. We're coming out the shit, yo, we're coming out with this rhyme. Alright, so now y'all heard what a white boy can do. Well, I don't care about you. Oh, by the way, fuck the blue. Deuce.